Hey boys and girls, Mr. D back with some learning at home. Today we're building more numbers, but today we're going to use some money. Now today we're going to use three different types of coins. Okay, we're going to use pennies. Okay, so you can see pennies. You know, Abraham Lincoln is on the front of the penny. Okay, make sure Abraham Lincoln, obviously different color, smooth on the outside. You know, whenever you get a chance to make a look at money, see the differences. So that's the penny. Okay, we're going to also use dimes today. Okay, so we're gonna use dimes. Dimes are the smallest, and they're worth 10 cents each. They're worth 10. Now we've been talking a lot this week with 10 sticks and ones and hundreds. So it's all about trading in and building up different type of numbers. And this right here with George Washington, okay, right here, this is a quarter. Okay, so you see the quarter there. So we're gonna deal with pennies, which are 1, dimes, which are 10, and then the quarter is 25 cents. So right now we're going to deal with pennies. Now right now here on the couch I have 40 pennies, okay? 40 pennies, and 4 sets 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, okay? Now that's a lot of pennies to walk around with, okay? So if you were walking around with 40 pennies, what would be easier but still make 40 cents? That's right, you would carry 4 dimes, okay? So this 1 dime takes away those pennies right there. Okay, see your pennies. This dime right here takes away those pennies. Okay, so we get rid of that. This 10 cents, these 10 pennies go away right there. That's 10 cents right there. And then these 10 pennies, we take those away and we get another dime right there. And that's still 40 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, instead of carrying 40 pennies, we can carry 4 dimes. Now let's say we're going to build a number. Let's write this down so we can see it at home. Okay, we're going to build the number 33 cents. Okay, that's how you write 33 cents right there. Okay, you guys can see 33 cents. That's what we're going to build. Okay, now these are worth 1. Okay, so how many of these will we need if we're counting by ones to get to 33? We would need 33. Okay, so what's easier? Okay, let's count by tens. Take the dimes. Okay, 10, 20. There's 30. Okay, so again, we're building number 33. Now I'm going to take my 3 ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, so we can build it up like that. These are worth 10. These are worth 3. These are worth 1 each, so they're worth 30. 33 cents. Okay, that's good. So now, instead of building number 33, let's build the number 36. This is a little bit more challenging. Okay, now I'm going to keep my 3 dimes there, 10, 20, 30, because we're making this number right here 36 cents. Okay, now so 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. Okay, now I'm going to put 6 pennies there. Okay, now there's 36. Okay, so there's 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. But that's 36 cents. That's fine. That makes our deal. But we can do it with less coins. Okay, watch this. Now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can make 36 cents with 3 coins. I'll give you a second to do it at home to see what we're going to need. Okay, now watch this. I'm going to take this quarter right here. I'm going to put that down. That's worth 25. So I'm going to take 2 away. So I have 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Okay, but now I'm going to take away 5 pennies because I have 41 cents here with 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 40, 39, 38, 37, 36. Look at that. Okay, 25, 35, 36. Okay, so that's how you make that 36 cents right there using only 3 coins. Okay, now I'm going to show you a different way to make 50. Now this is going to be hard because I only have 4 dimes with me today, which is only worth 40. So I'm going to make 50 cents. Okay, let's see how I can build that up. Okay, so I'm going to take Well, I know 50 cents, okay? I know it ends in a 0, okay? So I'm going to take my 4 dimes right there. 10, 20, 30, 40, okay? There's 40 cents. Now I'm going to take 10 pennies because 40 and 10 make 50. Now that's 50 cents. That's one way to do it. But let's take a look here, okay? With my quarters, okay? Right here, I want you to know I have 4 quarters. Now it's in quarters. 25, 50, 75, $1 or 100 cents. Okay? If I use 2 of these, that's 50 cents, and then that's 50 cents. 4 dimes, 10 pennies is the same as 2 quarters. What would you rather walk around with? So you're not, shaking around, rattling around with your money. Okay? Trading things in. 25 cents right here. So that's 50 cents, 2 quarters, 4 dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 10 pennies. 40 plus 10 is 50, and 50. That's one way to make it. So, how can we, if I added these two together, 50 and 50, I get $1, right? Well, I could take away that, and then I get $1 right there. What's another way to carry $1 than carrying 4 quarters? What if I carried a $1 bill? Okay, that takes away those 4 quarters right there. So I build that up. So I can get rid of those. So I'm cashing that in. I'm trading in every time. Okay. So boys and girls, it's all about building numbers and knowing what they're worth. Again, the penny is worth 1. 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the same as 1 dime, which is worth 10. Okay, so 10 pennies is the same as 1 dime, which is worth 10. It's the same amount of money right there. So you can build that up right there. So think about that. 10 pennies, 1 dime. They are the same. Okay, so you can count by that. Sometimes people like counting by ones. Sometimes people like counting by tens. Questions at home that you can think about, and you can put these in the comments. How many dimes does it take to make $1? How many pennies does it take to make $1? Okay, how many quarters? We already went over that. Would take to make $1 whole dollar. Okay, because most people like to carry these. Okay, because it's easier to carry around. What about how many dimes would you need to make $2? $10, because they're always worth 10. So these are worth 1, pennies worth 1, dimes worth 10. Okay, quarters 25. Play around with that money at home. See what see how much money you can make with the least amount of coins. Like let's say I was gonna make, I'll leave you with 1 here today. Okay, I'll leave you with 1 here today. We're gonna make 86 cents. No, 87 cents using 6 coins. Okay, so 87 cents, 6 coins. How can we do that? Okay, well, I'm not going to use 87 ones. I can't use 87 of these. That would mean I would have 87 pennies. These are all worth 10. So if I took 10 of these dimes, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, it's 8 dimes, not even close there. So I'm going to use quarters. Okay, so watch this first. 25, 50, 75. What's 10 more than 75? 85. 2 more pennies, 86, 87. 25, 50, 75, 85, 86, 87. So you guys can play around with games like this where you give somebody an amount of money that they need to make, tell them how many coins they're going to use your ones, use your tens, use your 25s. It's fun activity, and you learn a lot about money that way too. So build up those numbers, boys and girls. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope everybody's being safe and learning a lot at home. We'll talk again soon.